Step into the 2015 Hyundai Sonata. This four-door, five-passenger sedan is ready to drive off the showroom floor. Performance and efficiency are both prioritized thanks to the efficient four-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Both high fuel economy and flexible performance are assured by the 7-speed automatic transmission. Top features include power windows, one-touch window functionality, a trip computer, turn signal indicator mirrors, remote keyless entry, and cruise control. Hyundai ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a security system, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. This car was designed with safety in mind, allowing you to drive with even greater assurance. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.